Anytime now, race number 2. Away they go. Scout Ranger, Dinara, down on the inside, Solar Power, rushing up, Miss Delicious, Bahala na, running by Daral and Gedi, down on the inside, 7th position, Andorra, 8 belongs to Hakuna Matata, Tarlac alongside is, alam mo na yan, Wheel of Destiny and Typhoon Doding, is running at the tail of the field, passing the half-mile post, Dinara, Solar Power, Miss Delicious, and Geddes running in fourth by the fifth position, Scout Ranger. Rounding the far turn, Dinara, Solar Power, and Geddes, Miss Delicious. Scout Ranger is racing on the outside as they race the last 500. Dinara and Geddes, Solar Power, Scout Ranger, as they race the last 250. Dinara by about 2 lengths, followed by Solar Power and Geddes, Scout Ranger on the outside, but still Dinara still leading by about 2 lengths. Solar Power rushing up is Hakuna Matata and nearing the finish line. Number 3, Dinara, Hakuna Matata, Solar Power, Scout Ranger, and Geddes for your Pentafecta.
352. Tama ba?
3522.